Hey, it's Bryan from the Last Mile Store, and today we are reviewing the Jump and the Bird.
So yeah, we're just gonna start this one, I guess. Physical therapy at home.
There are hundreds and hundreds of different vehicles out on the street here in Venice right now. There's different companies with different strategies doing different things, but I'll tell you right now, the scooters, the new ones, Bird 1 versus Jump 0. Bird wins on grips. These are stealth looking sort of aircraft styling on their grips. Pretty cool. Each one of these is pretty similar in general. They both have physical rear drum brakes. They both have a bell. They both have thumb throttle. So that's going to be on your right side and the rear brake on your left. This is a fat Jump neck, and it's heavy. I don't know if there's actual batteries in that or not, but it is super heavy and it is not for jumping. The Bird, it rides smooth. The Jump, it rides super heavy. So this neck is actually really stuck almost. So on this next generation, you can obviously see Jump went with a bigger motor. It might actually be 750 watts, but it's probably like 500, maybe. I really don't know. This one, 350, maybe 500. They both go the same speed. I mean, the Jump is limited, Bird is limited. They're gonna limit the speed. And they want to be limited. Now, Jump is cool, but no, I'm picking Bird, obviously. Yeah, Bird wins because they actually have a legitimate product that they designed. And it's like stealthy looking and kind of looks kind of cool. This one, it's actually heavier. The front motor looks dope, but it actually doesn't take you anywhere. And the throttle was not consistent. It was giving you weird feedback every once in a while. So, jump loses 100%. Bird wins. Goodbye.